Okay, in this video, we're gonna be going over our powder formula blush. We have 10 shades to choose from, and I'm gonna go over them one at a time, but before I do, I'm gonna show you where blush goes. I know when I learned, we were taught to put it from the nose all the way up to the temples, so we don't do that anymore. Your bronzer goes from the bottom of the apple up towards your temples. Your blush should go where you naturally flush or blush, which is right here on the apple. That's why I designed my blush brush to be a little bit smaller, so you didn't get too much and you can apply it right where you need it without going overboard. Now let's go over the 10 colors. Our newest shade is called Moroccan Clay, and this one has a warm suede brown without shimmer. Next up, we have One Trick Peony. And this works really well on a fair skin tone looking for more of a pink shade, and it's got a touch of shimmer. Third shade is someone who likes a pop or someone with medium to dark skin. It's called Back to the Fuchsia. You can see once it hits my skin, it kind of has a warm berry tone. Would not recommend this on fair skin. It's way too intense, but medium to dark skin tone, this looks great. The fourth shade happens to be my favorite. It's the one I wear the most. It is called Petal Pusher. I love things with a pink violet undertone, and I love some shimmer. So that little guy right there, you can see it on my hand, has a golden shimmer with a pale purple undertone. Obsessed. Then we have one of the best sellers, which is the Dolce Vita. Dolce Vita is a good matte mauve, great for someone who has larger pores on the apple of the cheek, as this will not enhance your pores. A good rule of thumb when selecting a blush, if you have larger pores, stay away from shimmer and pearl and glitter. It will make your pores look twice the size. Next up, we have Rose Above It. This one, just like the name sounds, it's got a rosy tone with a little tiny bit of sheen, not too bad. Then we have Runway Rouge. If you have blush blindness, this one is for you. If you like to go big or go home, look at the intensity you get with that guy. Then we have Mescal Sunrise. If you're looking for a pop of coral that isn't too insanely rich, this one's great for your vacay. Okay, we have 2 left. Next up is Lilac Boss. This is very similar to Petal Pusher, but without the shimmer. And last but not least, our old faithful, Blush Your Heart. This is a really fair, peachy salmon pink with shimmer. Really good for fair skin. Would not recommend it if you have freckles. Don't like shimmer on freckles, but if you have fair skin without freckles, this is my favorite shade. Overall, any skin tone can wear a powder blush. Remember, if you're drier, you might prefer our cream formula. If you're combo to oily, you might prefer the powder.